I'm going to show you an incredible trick, transforming this simple, old, broken hot glue gun into a powerful, versatile tool. As you can see, when I plug it in, nothing happens. It's completely dead. But instead of throwing it away, I'm going to repurpose its comfortable casing for a brand new project. I'll start by taking my screwdriver and removing all the screws from the casing. I need to open it up completely to gut the inside. We won't be needing the original heating element or trigger mechanism anymore. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. I'll carefully take out the heating block and the internal components. I have an old car valve, and I'll be using it for this project. I'm disassembling the old valve and fitting it inside the casing. We need a clear, unobstructed passage through it. This metal piece is crucial because it will act as our electrical conductor. Next, I'm taking a thick red electrical wire. I'll thread it through the back of the valve assembly and secure it. This will be our main power lead, providing the positive electrical connection for our tool. I will place the modified valve back into the empty glue gun housing and carefully thread the red wire out through the bottom of the handle. Then, I'll screw the casing back together to secure everything in place. It already looks like a neat custom tool. I'm going to strip the ends of the red wire to expose the copper for our final connections. I'm securing the copper wire to the tire valve and insulating it with a piece of heat shrink tubing. Now for the secret ingredient. I'm taking an ordinary AA battery. Using some pliers, I'm carefully opening it up to extract the solid carbon rod from the center. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. This carbon rod is incredibly heat resistant and conducts electricity well, making it the perfect electrode for creating a spark. To make our tool precise, the carbon rod needs a sharp tip. I'll chuck it into my drill and spin it against some sandpaper. This will grind it down to a fine point, which will help concentrate the electrical arc perfectly, allowing for precise spot welding. I'll insert the sharpened carbon rod into the nozzle of our gun. It fits perfectly. Then, I'll wrap the stripped end of our red wire around the metal washer at the back of the nozzle to ensure a solid electrical connection right. For the negative ground lead, I'm taking a piece of wire. I'll attach an alligator clip to one end, which will clamp onto the workpiece to complete the electrical circuit. On the other end, I'll add a washer to easily connect it to our power source. I'm using a powerful 20-volt tool battery for this project. I'll connect the red wire to the positive terminal . Now let's test it. When I touch the carbon tip to the grounded clip, look at those sparks. We have a working arc. Let's see what it can do. I'll clamp the ground to a utility razor blade. Watch as I touch the tip to the metal. The intense heat from the electrical arc instantly melts and cuts right through the hardened steel. The power output is quite amazing. I'm going to twist the two ends together and join them with a soldering iron. Watch what happens when I touch the tip of the soldering iron to the copper wire. Look at those sparks. The immense heat generated at the tip of the soldering iron melts the copper wire instantly, welding them together like a spot welder. Now for a practical repair. The handle broke off this stainless steel cup. I'll clamp the ground to the cup and use our homemade arc welder to spot weld the handle back in place. The carbon tip creates a tiny, intense pool of molten metal, fusing the pieces together. Look how perfectly it holds. This is incredibly useful. If you enjoyed this project and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.